The cadence we're using today is we're taking these jigs and casting them as far away from the boat as we can and just letting them free spool down. Once it hits bottom, you'll see your line go loose and get a bow in it. Then you can click your bail over, reel your slack, and then just take 2 or 3 real slow turns and pause. And when you pause, that swim bait is slowly shimmying back down to the bottom. And with those 2 short reels, you're only getting about a foot off the bottom, so it's keeping you in that strike zone where those fish are looking to feed. So that's an easy way to do it. Just reel twice, pause, let the bait stop, and then we're getting a lot of our strikes as it's on the fall, or the second it'll hit the bottom, those fish will just thump it really hard. There's no mistaking it. And we're just using these 3/8 ounce jigs with a ripple shad and casting them as far as we can and doing that cadence, and that way we're getting way more bites than I think we would doing a jerking motion or another thing. It's fall, these fish like it more slow, and this is the way that gets us more bites.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.